Section 10.2 Hunger and eating. Eating is one of the most basic survival behaviors. But hunger and eating are not simply about filling the stomach. They are influenced by a complex interaction of biology, psychology, and environment. In this lecture, we'll explore how hunger and eating are regulated physiologically, how metabolism and body weight work, the challenges of obesity and bariatric surgery, the role of genetic disorders like Prader-Willi syndrome, and eating disorders such as anorexia and bulimia. Physiological mechanisms of hunger. When our stomach is empty, it contracts, sending hunger pangs. When blood glucose drops, the pancreas and liver release signals to trigger feeding. Once we eat, satiation occurs. Blood glucose rises, fat cells release leptin, a satiety hormone, and signals travel through the GI tract to the brain. The hypothalamus and hindbrain integrate hunger and satiety signals, ultimately deciding whether we start or stop eating. Metabolism and body weight. Body weight depends on the balance between calories consumed and burned. Metabolic rate gauges how much energy your body uses over time. Some people burn calories faster than others. Set point theory suggests each person has a biologically determined ideal weight, resistant to change, though this theory doesn't fully explain social and environmental influences. Obesity BMI, body mass index, is often used as a population level measure, 25 to 29.9. Overweight, 30 plus. Obese, 40 plus. Morbidly obese. Obesity increases the risk for diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers. For some individuals, bariatric surgery may be recommended, which alters the gastrointestinal system to reduce intake or absorption. Prader-Willi syndrome, PWS, a genetic disorder causing constant hunger and low metabolism. Symptoms: weak muscle tone in infancy, developmental delays, and later excessive eating with cognitive deficits caused by hypothalamic abnormalities. No cure exists, but careful management of food intake can improve life expectancy. And eating disorders. Not all eating challenges are about overeating. Some involve dangerous restriction or cycles of binging and purging, bulimia nervosa, cycle of binge eating followed by compensatory behaviors, vomiting, laxatives, overexercise, health risks, kidney and heart failure, tooth decay, depression, substance abuse. Binge eating disorder like bulimia but without purging leads to guilt, shame, and distress. Anorexia nervosa, self-starvation and or excessive exercise leading to body weight far below average. Health risks: bone density loss, heart problems, infertility, death. Conclusion: hunger and eating are influenced by biology, glucose, hormones, hypothalamus, psychology, self-control, body image, and social environment. Key points: the body has built-in systems for hunger and satiety, but modern environments can override them. Obesity and genetic disorders highlight the complexity of weight regulation. Eating disorders like anorexia and bulimia reveal the dangerous psychological extremes of food-related behaviors. Closing thought: eating is essential for survival, but it's also deeply tied to culture, emotion, and identity. Understanding hunger and eating helps us see not just how the body maintains balance, but also how imbalances can lead to serious health risks.